Hello everyone and welcome to the Avery Digital Classroom. The Avery Digital Classroom is an online learning space and we're so happy that you are a part of this wonderful endeavor that we are doing. A few of you all have had a question about how to utilize the Microsoft Teams software that we are using to now host our Avery Digital Classroom events. So this is just a quick video showcasing how you can use Teams and all that you need to access it. So first things first, right now you cannot use mobile or an iPad. You must participate via desktop, so go grab your computer and I'm going to show you how you can access it from your browser. Upon receiving the link provided to you once you registered for the event, go ahead and copy and paste and put that into your search engine. You can either open Microsoft Teams app or use the web. I prefer using the web. So you watch via the web, and once prompted, either you can make an account or watch anonymously. While you're watching anonymously, you'll still be able to see everything that's going on and have access to the question and answer portion that we will provide after each live event. So before we start, the events will be looking like this when the live event has not begun its broadcast, but you are able to ask questions to the moderators and panelists that we have represented. So it is a little bit easy, but if you're just using the software, it can be difficult to navigate. So I hope this video really does assist you all in using Microsoft Teams. Remember, you must access using a desktop and you don't need an account, but you can watch anonymously. So thank you once again for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you at our upcoming May events.